Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen short wheelbase Kombi. It's a Highline model. It's also fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. This Kombi is a used 21 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Any faults are fixed using genuine Volkswagen approved parts. This Kombi is a homage to the iconic 1990s Volkswagen Polo Harlequin Edition. It's also been professionally wrapped. We hope you like the striking colours as I walk you around this Volkswagen Transporter. And now for a quick walk around the vehicle. To the front, you will notice LED headlights with LED daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. In the centre grille, you will notice two nice chrome strips. This vehicle is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the Kombi again, you will notice that it's fitted with 20-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. This Kombi is fitted with 3 German Harlequin badges. The mirrors on this Kombi are heated and power folding. This would be ideal for parking the vehicle on a busy road and also for cold winter months. On both sides, it's fitted with manual sliding doors with privacy glass and sliding windows in the glass. Moving into the rear of the cab, you will notice 3 comfortable seats with Isofix anchorage points across all the seats. This is ideal for the correct child seat. Here we have a side opening window for extra ventilation for the rear passengers. You'll also notice a bulkhead with a window to the back of the rear seats. To the back of the Kombi, you will notice a tailgate with a heated rear screen and rear wash wipe. Across the rear bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors. You'll also notice a protective cover on the top edge of the bumper. Here we have the Harlequin badge on the rear tailgate. You'll also notice the Transporter badge and the VW emblem. The rear tail lights on this Transporter are LED. Moving into the load area, you will notice there's plenty of room for your passengers and drivers' luggage. On both sides, you will notice factory fitted panelling. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. And here we have the inner tailgate. Before this vehicle was professionally wrapped, this vehicle was Indium Grey, which is metallic paint. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. This Kombi is fitted with 5 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. Both the driver and passenger seats have armrests for added comfort on long journeys. This has now finished my 360 walk around the Kombi. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the interior controls and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. This Kombi is fitted with auto headlights. To this side of the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This Kombi has covered 10,946 miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back into the audio settings, I'd like to show you that you can change the radio stations if needed. This Kombi is also fitted with an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system with FM and DAB radio. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps on your smartphone. My particular favourites at the moment is Waze for using maps and my downloaded music app. This system is also fitted with satellite navigation As you can see, it's easy to use, just pinch your fingers across the screen. You can also pull the maps across so you can find your ideal location. If I pop the Kombi into reverse, you will notice that it's fitted with a reverse camera. It's also fitted with a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this Kombi is fitted with a heated front windscreen for cold winter months. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. The passenger and the driver seats are heated. They're easy to adjust, just repress your finger across the switch. Here we have the temperature control switch. To the back of the automatic gear stick, it's fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. Here we have the automatic gear stick. Down here you will notice a 12-volt socket and 2 handy USB-C charge ports. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen short wheelbase Kombi. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 21 plate Kombi, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the transporter. You could also ask the salesperson to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.